Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about passing a time string using the strp time, which is for string passing of time. So now last video we talked about how to format our string, like making it to look something like this. Let me copy this and put it in a variable. Let's say ex is time for example. Let me put it in a string. This is what we got when we ran our previous this thing. So now in this case, we want to convert it to something like this. So how can we something like this? How can we achieve that to make it that of year, month, day? This is not basically being used much, but that's what we'll be doing in this video. So we're going to make use of what is called strp to do that. And what does strp? Just to pass the time, using the just to pass the time. And when we pass the time, it's going to be like that of a structure of the one we talked about local time. Because if I is to print local time, let me comment all this out. I say print local time, the local time. For us to run this, it's going to be structured in a particular structure. You can see like it's going to be struct time, going to be structured in this way, in this format. So that's basically what strp does. Okay, let me comment this. Let's write it. Then just change this F to P. Just simple as this. So it's going to structure this time format to this format. Then we can actually get them by indexing. So let me run this. Let's see our output. Okay. What is the problem right here? Okay, problem here is value error, time data, y which is time for year, month, and date, hour does not match format. This particular format. So for this to be achieved, we need to pass this ex into here. So let's to put es because it is the es to want to turn to a time want to pass this ex. So to do that, we need to add the variable here. If we don't want that, we can actually copy this and put it inside there. There's no going to be much different. So when I run this, you can see it got structured in that particular way. Our local time. Let me print our local time so we can compare both of them. Print time the local time. So I'm going to see that it's being structured in the similar way. You can see down here. Just that in our local time tend to make use of our current local time. But this our strp, you can say passing of time, tend to basically structure it our time the way we want we explicitly set it. Because this local time we cannot change it unless we have to do some other manipulation on it to make it the way we want. But this we can actually change this. I can try to change this to let's 12. You know this is month. I don't think it because you can change that, then you can put 100. So okay, this is for minutes. Let me go to this month. This is for the day. We know that January stops in 30th, sorry, 31st, and they decided to put 55. No, it doesn't work like that. This function knows that it does. Come on. This function knows that it doesn't do that. Let's run it and see that. Let's see the output. You can see the local time got run successfully. You can see the error here, time data 2025 0155 day. It doesn't match format. So you need to be exactly or similar to how you can how time actually works. So you can't just wake up and set anything you feel like. So let me change it back to 5. Let me say 05. You can see it's going to run successfully without any problem. You can see it got run successfully. This is where we set our hour to be 17. This is for the MD. This is for the month. This is for the year. The 0 is going to be eliminated default. So this should be it for this video. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.